Mukwatanithya wa kisio cha kisoani John Elungata niwaikiithisya amanyiwa ala mekwika Mutiani wa Kcpe na aungamii maw'o kana Useseei wiithiwa wimuthingiliile nginya Mutiani usu uthele. Elungata ingi niwaweta kana maovisa ma kwiana nimatumitwe kaunty ya Lamu kwikiithya vai mathina maneekumbila iseso yiu. Angelina Musee na ripoti.
Commissioner wa kaunti ya Kisoani John Elungata ni waungamia iseso ya kuvingwa kwa containers ya Mutiani ya Kcpe na ila yatoiwa va kaunti ya Mombasa kiokoni cha umuthi. Elungata ni wikiithysya aungamii ma Mutiani iyo vamwe na amanyiwa ala makwithwa mayika Mutiani muvaka wa katatu Useseei wa kwiana.
We want to see all our candidates pass, but there should be no panic. There should be no question of nitabaki nyuma, nitashindwa. Every kid who will do this exam will go to Form 1. And as you know, the government has the 100% transition. So there should be no question of, we should all get 100%. Do the best you can, and of course government will take care of the rest.
Kamishina wa Kisoani niwaweta kana maovisa ma Useseei nimeyovete kavyu kuli kwa kilingu kicha methenya itatu kuikiithya kana vena Useseei wa kwiana Ivindani kala Mutiani kwithwa yitwa iwe sioni kivathukanio.
But even in Lamu, I think we have elaborate plans. You know, we have other partners there in this exercise, KDF, for example, and the National Police Service. We have agreed that in places where vehicles cannot reach, KDF will be able to lift this exam. And I think it's doing that this morning. We also have elaborate escorts for the exam in all parts of this region.
Ivindani kauni waweta kana Useseei wa kwiana niwailichwe isioni sia Lamu na ila ikonanyo na uvungulu wa maw'o aiweta kana amanyiwa isioni isu methiwa meusuvioni Ivindani ka.
We will get to know today, you know, unless the exam starts, you can't know where the challenge is. But we believe that all candidates who registered for this exam will be sitting. But of course, you will not miss one or two issues. That will come out at the end of the exam today. We will be able to know who missed, for what reasons. But like we said, even if a candidate is sick, the exam will be delivered to the place where the candidate is. All candidates must sit this exam, unless they are totally incapable. Something we can't, you know, we cannot do anything about. But as it is, we are sure that every candidate will sit this exam.
Amanyiwa ngiliana imwe na umwe maana nyanya na 57 nimo makwithwa mayika Mutiani ya Kcpe va Kisoani. Vala ngili 41 maana nyanya na 57 ni imwana na 8 ningili 42 maana 44 kati wa amanyiwa milioni umwe ngili maana 35 maana 5 na ala makwithwa mayika Mutiani wa Kcpe va nthi ya Kenya. Ngili vote ya vilingwa maw'o kuma kaunti ya Mombasa nitawa Angelina Musee.